In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple records on Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to streamline your database management, linking records can help keep your information organized and easily accessible. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to open Airtable and navigate to your specific project. Once you're there, what you're looking for is the plus button located at the end of your columns. This button is key because it allows you to add new fields to your table, which is essential for linking records. Now, with the plus button in sight, go ahead and click on it. You'll be presented with a variety of options. Here, you want to choose Link to another record. This selection is crucial because it enables you to create connections between different tables or records within your Airtable base. Once you've clicked on Link to another record, you'll see an option to Create a new table. Selecting this option allows you to establish a fresh table that can be linked to your current dataset. This is particularly useful if you're working on a project that requires organizing information across different categories or datasets. After this step, you will need to confirm your selection by clicking on Link to New Table. This final action will not only create the new table, but also establish the link between your existing table and the new one. It's a straightforward process, but one that significantly enhances how you can manage and relate your data entries. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively linked multiple records in Airtable, paving the way for a more dynamic and interconnected database. Remember, creating links between records can help you draw connections that may not have been obvious before and can greatly improve your data analysis and project management capabilities. As a quick recap, start by locating the plus button in your Airtable project. Click on it and select Link to another record. Then opt to Create a new table, followed by the final step of confirming Link to New Table. With these actions, your Airtable workspace becomes more versatile and powerful, allowing for greater flexibility in how you manage your information. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Airtable.